What is up, guys? Pokemon here. In today's video, guys, we are going to look at this new pistol, and yeah, you can find it in any game mode, but you can't get it in solid golds because it's not gold, and it can only be grey or green. So yeah. See how it goes. Let's try out. Because there's a lot of things I want to try out with this new gun because it was a new up and they literally just added it in like 1 or 2 days ago. Yeah, everyone is filming and doing stuff with it. So I was like, okay, let's do it. So yeah. I haven't been uploading much anymore. So, why have I got a default skin? Alright, no worries. So yeah. If you go to here, you can see this is a flintlock pistol. You can get it in green or grey. You can't get it in blue, purple or gold. So we'll get both. We'll get some ammo. I don't know what kind of ammo it takes. Yeah. Okay. I have no clue. Right. So if we build up, we'll see if we can take full damage. If we take full damage with these. Oh no. Okay, ready? We'll try out the grey one. Okay, so it does save you with full damage. Let's see about the green. Because if the grey can, I think the green can. Because green is better than grey. No, no. Why did I do that? Right. Let's just go up here. Ready, go. Okay, it does save you. Now we'll see if it can break a wood wall. Ready? No, it can't. It can't break a wood wall. Okay, interesting. What about the green? Nope. And also, what I've noticed, it knocks you back once you shoot, but which is not great when you're in like a solo, duo, or squad match, because if you're right next to a storm, you'll get knocked back, and you'll the other person you're going against will gain high ground. So right, see if it can break brick. Wow, I didn't expect it to break brick. Because brick is stronger than wood, so how? Wait till this. Come on. Go ahead. Oh, the grey one doesn't break it. Now metal. Okay, green works. Right, guys, yeah. This was a very short video. I am going to find this gun in Team Rumble or solo, and I'm gonna test it out. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm gonna test it out. So yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I'll be back with another video today about this gun. Oh yeah, and I'll have another video about something else. Most of these like them. Right, I'll see you guys next time, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace.